Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So friends, welcome, all of you, in another new video. So today we are going to see how you can make live editor using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So guys, you can see how our live editor is working. So guys, first of all I want to tell you that in this video, I am going to tell only function. You will do styling by yourself. So let's start making without delay. So guys, you can see, I have already done styling of text area in CSS. So now let's go into the HTML code and make it. So first of all you have to create 3 test area and 1 iframe. You have to give ID to HTML, CSS, JS and output to iframe. And after doing this you have to add script tag. And select all the IDs inside the script have to take. And it has to be stored in variable. After this a function has to be created. Function has to type the same code inside it. So guys, you can see our live editor is working. But CSS is not working properly. If there is some problem in this, then let's see the problem and then try it. So a little spelling went wrong. Then you will see it, then let's try it. So now our live editor is working very well. So guys, that was all in today's video. Styling you will do according to yourself. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then like it and subscribe if you are new to the channel. See you in another new video. Till then, bye.